Mi nombre es Federico Matos, mi edad 61 años, un ex trabajador que por causa del patrón estoy sin trabajo. Mi caso se trata de que yo al tratar con el patrón, al contratarme con el patrón, yo iba a ganar cierta cantidad, un poquito arriba del salario mínimo. Y por desgracia caí con un patrón del cual incumplido que me pagaba menos del salario mínimo.
Federico Nino's case was a case that actually started a number of years ago at the Wage Justice Center. What happened, though, was he went through the labor commissioner process and got a decision from the labor commissioner that the corporation that owned the furniture store had to pay him back wages. By the time he got that decision, the furniture store was being run by another corporation, still owned by the same person or the same people, which were essentially two brothers. Because it was a new company that owned the furniture store, it was impossible for him to collect any money from the furniture store. So what we had to do, unfortunately, was to file a lawsuit. And we filed the lawsuit against the new company that was running the furniture store and the two brothers.
My name is Jason. My job here at the Wage Justice Center is to be part of a team that puts actual money into the hands of low-wage workers who have already earned their wages but were not paid.
My name is Renee Amador. Some employers take advantage of the imbalance of powers between people. For example, an employer may take advantage of the fact that someone doesn't speak English, or they don't have very much money, or they're from another country, or they may not even have legal permission to be working in the United States. And an employer will take advantage of those facts and decide not to pay their workers, either at all or pay them very below the minimum wage.
The reason why the Wage Justice Center came into existence was because there was a gap between what workers' rights were supposed to be under the law and what they actually were in practice in the state of California. One is that for low-wage workers, there are not a lot of attorneys who take their cases. And secondly, to try to enforce the claims that people were getting, it's very common for courts or the labor commissioner to make decisions that people are owed wages, that their rights have been violated, and those decisions to just be nothing except a piece of paper. They never get paid their back wages, they're not enforced, and there's a whole bunch of complex reasons why that is, but the Wage Justice Center came about to help focus on that gap, on making sure that if workers were winning cases, they were proving they were owed unpaid wages, they were actually getting paid.
Yo realmente estaba un poquito molesto porque mi caso no salía tanto tiempo. Entonces, por eso, cuando ya con la orden de la Corte Federal me vine acá a la oficina del centro para que me ayudasen a sacar mi caso.
It was really clear that we would win the case. We were on the verge of trial, actually the first day of trial. We were there, ready to try the case, and at that point, they finally agreed, the brothers agreed, to pay Federico what he was owed.